Do you want to know how to get wealthy? Although to some it may seem difficult, it doesn't have to be an unattainable fantasy. By the time you retire, you can easily make $1 million with careful planning, persistence, and wise savings. How to become a millionaire by 30 in 6 steps. To become a millionaire, you don't need a 6-figure job or family wealth. Instead, you should begin saving early and budget your money carefully. Here are some suggestions for saving up the $1 million you'll need for a luxurious or early retirement. Start your savings early. Starting early is the key to building your savings. By doing this, you can benefit from compounding's power. I'll assume you're 20 years old. If you made annual contributions of $6,000, $500 per month, to an IRA for 40 years, your total investment would be $240,000. However, assuming a 7% return, the power of compounding would cause your investment to increase to over $1.37 million. And if you saved $500 a month, you'd be a billionaire by the time you were 57. Refrain from needless spending and debt. Put an end to your shopping sprees. Prior to tapping your card, consider the following. Is this really something I need? Do I already have something like this? Is this something I desire more than being a millionaire? Spending money on things you don't need takes money away from investments. Here's a dose of reality. For the same 40 years, investing an additional $25 a week would result in earnings of $277,693. Can you eliminate $25 in wasteful spending from your weekly budget? Perhaps, perhaps not. But if you can, it will greatly assist you in achieving your objective. Save 15% or more of your income. The percentage of income left over after expenses and taxes is known as the personal savings rate. The Bureau of Economic Analysis figures show the rate fell to 2.3% in October 2022. BEA 1. Experts say that's insufficient for retirement savings, let alone for those aiming to become millionaires. 20%. You should think about setting aside at least 20% of your salary as savings, which includes money for retirement and emergency funds. What amount should you preserve specifically? Although there is no right or wrong answer here, most financial advisors agree that if you want to build a nest egg for retirement, you should save at least 15% of your annual gross income, depending on your age. Although this amount may appear to be out of reach for many, it is not. If your employer matches up to 6% of your salary in savings, you would need to save only 9% of your income. Earn more cash. This is easier said than done, to be sure. It will be challenging to become a billionaire if you aren't able to save 15% of your income. However, you do have a few choices, including: refuse to cultivate lifestyle inflation. When you spend more money simply because you have more money to spend, this is called lifestyle inflation. Let's imagine you pay $1,000 a month to live in a cozy apartment in a great neighborhood. You move to a better apartment that costs $1,500 per month after receiving a raise at work. Did you actually require a move? Avoid caving to lifestyle inflation if you want to become a millionaire. Spend less simply because you can and put more money into savings and investments. You'll achieve your monetary objectives far more quickly. Retirement planning may be highly stressful, in part because there are so many investment options available and so many unknowables ahead of you. Up to 60% of persons in the workforce admitted to having anxiety about retirement preparation. It makes sense that only 25% of Americans feel confident that they are taking the necessary steps to prepare for retirement. 4. That is why seeking professional assistance is so crucial. Among Americans, only 29% claimed they work with a financial advisor, while 65% stated they received no financial guidance. 5. Working with a certified financial advisor is worthwhile unless you're a financial rock star. A financial advisor may assist you with setting financial objectives, creating a budget, and selecting investments. They can also give you advice on how to stretch your money whenever you're ready to start spending some of it.